So, you decided to become a motorcycle vlogger. You have your bike, have your camera, you have a few ideas. It's easy enough, right? Most vloggers will tell you there are only two dangers of vlogging: crashing your motorcycle and forgetting what you're going to say. Well, that's what I thought too.
But anyway, that's my video, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Holy f***. Motorcycling, but hang on, we got a bug in the helmet. We got to let this guy go. Stand by. All right, that sucked. I hope that didn't scare you, because it did me. That thing actually like touched my eyeballs. It was a bug, but not a bee or anything. But whatever. You guys can't smell what I'm smelling right now, but over there, about a mile or so, there is a dog food rendering plant, and it smells awful. It smells like a truck driver's roid pad. I'm never doing that again, dude. Yeah? What did you do there, Tracy? You broke your helmet, didn't you? Luckily we got Seek helmet over here to help you fix it. It smells like it. Jabba the Hutt gave birth to a cabbage. A wasp actually just flew into my helmet and stung me right on the nose. Getting sleepy, buddy. Well, what's up, guys? It's too much glove. Say hi.
I can't.
Can't? You can't flip it up? There we go. Now wave at me. Give me a shaka.
I can't do really shaka very good.
There you go. It's alright. It's terrible. It smells like a diaper full of shrimp. It's awful. It's awful. Ow! That didn't work. Oh, that's more like it. That's what I like. I like you. Whoa. Wow, I am finding a place I've never been before. It's like a magical Billmaa journey. No, it wasn't that. And everybody was kung fu vlogging. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing with this shiznit. God. But let's go in the house and say hi to the puppy. Hi, puppy! Where the hell are you? Hi, puppy! Stupid. God, you're terrible at this, dude. Why do you even try? Why? I don't know. Rained on big time. You can see the smudges. Trying to keep the video halfway decent to look at, but with the rain it's virtually impossible. Cows! Cows! I like cows, man. They're tasty. They smell like poo. You know, they really How could something so delicious smell so bad?
What'd you think?
Good.
Good. Good how? Was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Vlog. Oh, shit. We hit the dog food container with my motorbike.